have to discuss here functional group. Functional group. In organic compound, functional group means it is part of molecule. It is part of molecule and it will detect how the molecule reacts. Okay, so the chemical properties of the molecules depends on the functional group. Here different example for functional group. OH is functional group. OH mean alcohol. We discussed before alcohol, carboxylic acid, alkene. All these are example for functional group. Alcohol mean compound which contain OH. So here OH is functional group. Carboxylic acid, compound which contain carbon, double bond oxygen, single bond OH. So this is functional group. So there is one more definition for functional group. Functional group mean atoms or group of atoms other than carbon and hydrogen in hydrocarbon. In hydrocarbon, atom or group of atoms other than carbon and hydrogen. Such type of atoms or group of atoms are called functional group. And this functional group detect the chemical properties. Functional group, it detect how the molecule will react. Okay, chemical properties of molecules depends on the functional group. Here example for functional group, alcohol functional group. Alcohol mean it contain OH. Carboxylic acid, C double bond oxygen OH, it is functional group. Alkene also functional group, it contain carbon double bond. See here some example. CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2Cl chlorine, CH3 C double bond oxygen OH. Okay, and another one CH3CH double bond CH2. So all these are examples for functional group. Here functional group OH. So this is alcohol functional group. Here Cl chlorine is functional group, chlorine, and here C double bond oxygen OH. Here this is together one functional group, it is carboxylic acid, and here carbon double bond, alkene functional group. Okay, so alcohol functional group, here halogen, chlorine, and here carboxylic acid, here alkene. So here functional group detect how the molecule will react. Okay, atoms or group of atoms other than carbon and hydrogen in hydrocarbon. Such type of atoms or group of atoms also called functional group. Okay, next one we have to discuss here homologous series. Homologous series mean a series of compounds, they have same general formula, same chemical properties, same functional group. Such type of compounds are called homologous series. Homologous series mean a series of compounds. For example, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. These are one series of compounds. All of them are alkane. So all alkanes are same homologous series. All alkene, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, all alkenes are same homologous series. All alcohol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, all alcohols are same homologous series. So homologous series mean a series of compounds, they have same general formula, same chemical properties, same functional group, but they have different physical properties. Physically they have different properties. For example, their melting point and boiling point, their physical state, liquid state, gas state, or gaseous state, physical state, melting and boiling point, solubility in water. Such type of properties may be different, but chemically they will be same. Chemical reaction will be same. Such type of series of compounds are called homologous series. So here homologous series mean a series of compounds, they have same general formula, same chemical properties, same functional group, but they show different physical properties. Okay, they have different physical properties, melting point, boiling point, solubility, etc., but chemically same. Here example for homologous series. Example for homologous series, all alkane, they are same homologous series. Ethane, propane, ethane, propane, the compound which end ANE, they are same homologous series and they have same general formula CnH2n plus 2. We learned this in previous video. General formula for alkane CnH2n plus 2. Okay, another example for homologous series, alkene, ethene, propene, butene, they are same homologous series and they have same general formula CnH2n. They have same functional group. Here same functional group, carbon carbon double bond, here carbon carbon single bond, functional group. Alcohol, functional group OH. Okay, so alkene, this is one example for homologous series and its general formula CnH2n. Another example for homologous series, alcohol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol. This is one example for homologous series. Another example for homologous series, they have functional group OH. Their general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. Remember, this is the general formula for alcohol, CnH2n plus 1 OH. Okay, like this, CnH2n plus 1. Then you have to write OH. So here one question, write down the alcohol. Write down one alcohol which contain 4 carbon. Okay, write down the alcohol or write down the molecular formula of the alcohol which contain 4 carbon. So we know, you have to know the general formula for alcohol CnH2n plus 1 OH. So if you know this general formula, you can write the alcohol with 4 carbon. Here C4, in the question saying 4 carbon, C4. And the number of hydrogen. What will be the number of hydrogen? 2n plus 1. What is n? N is 4. 2 times 4 plus 1. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So C4H9. Then you just write OH. This is the alcohol with 4 carbon. And what will be the name of this alcohol here? 4 carbon. So name of the alcohol, butanol. 4 carbon, butanol. Okay, so this is homologous series and a different example for homologous series, and remember their general formula. Clear? Okay, next one, we have to understand here more details about alkane. We know alkane mean compound which contain carbon-carbon single bond. Alkane mean compound which contain carbon-carbon single bond.